Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will learn how to create a navigation drawer, bottom navigation and bottom sheet all together in one single application. Let me show you the demo. This is how it looks. We have a bottom navigation with home, search, notification and profile, and an add button that opens up the bottom sheet with post, stories, reels and live, out of which post is a screen while other items are a toast. Then open the navigation drawer. Here we have home, profile, settings and logout, right? All three of them are working fine. So let's create it. Open Android Studio, create a new project, name it as Learn Nav Bot Sheet. Click on Finish and done. Now I have already created the navigation drawer, bottom navigation and bottom sheet individually. So in this video, all we have to do is to combine the three of them correctly. There is no extra code here. We will be using the same code but wrapped differently. Also, I have already explained the code in detail for three of them. So for now, I'll be explaining only the important parts and if required, copy paste the individual code. Otherwise, the video will become very lengthy, okay? I have mentioned the individual video links in the description box so you can go through it. Now let's create it. Go to Gradle, add navigation dependency, click on sync now, and done. Then go to color, add green color, and done. Then go to theme, keep green JC as the primary color and status bar color also as green JC. Next we need 6 screens, that is home, search, notification, profile, post and settings. So let me quickly create all of them. And done. Next, we will design all 6 screens. So I'll show you how to design a home screen. Other 5 you can do it on your own. Let me write the code for it. And done. See, we have a composable home function. Inside it a box with columns whose alignment and arrangement are center. Then a text as home whose font size is 30 and color as green. And that's it. Now let me quickly create the other remaining 5 screens as well. And done. See, we have a home, notification, post, profile, search and settings screens. Then, instead of fragments, we create screens in Jetpack Compose. Create a scene class as screens. And done. Here we will have 6 screens: home, search, notification, profile, post and settings. Let me quickly write it. And done. See, the home, search, notification and profile are 4 items of the bottom navigation. Post is an item present in the bottom sheet. Then in navigation drawer, we will have a common item as home and profile, then other item as settings, and all the other remaining items will be a toast. And that is how we will have 6 screens. Got it? Now come to main activity. This is where we will combine the individual codes for each one of them step by step. So remove the default code. And then create a composable function as learn nav bot sheet and make sure to call it here inside the set content. Also comment on this line because we'll be using top app bar for the navigation drawer. So for that we don't require a fill max size surface. Got it? Now inside the function we have a lot of code to write. So please don't get confused, okay? Let's start with the variable declarations. As I previously said, wherever required we will copy and paste the code because the entire code is of 300 lines. And I have already written the same code in individual videos. So here we will simply refer to the previous code. Got it? But don't worry, I'll take you step by step so that you don't get confused while writing the code. Now see, we have 7 variables declared and initialized. Navigation controller, coroutine scope, drawer state, context, selected, sheet state and show bottom sheet. Again, I have already explained it, so we will just focus on the steps. Next step is to create a navigation drawer. Then later we will create the bottom navigation and then bottom sheet. Got it? So let's start with the navigation drawer. Model navigation drawer with 3 parameters in it. Drawer state, gesture enabled as true, then drawer content. This is where all the drawer items will be present. Inside drawer content, we will have a model drawer sheet where our first thing will be a header. So for that, we will use a box this way. And then a line that will differentiate between the header and the items. So for that, I will use a divider. Then our first item is home item. So let me quickly create a navigation drawer item for home. And then, see, we have a label that means the text as home whose color is green, then selected as false, then the icon is home icon and on click as drawer state close. Means as soon as the home item is clicked, then automatically drawer will be closed. And at the same time, it will navigate to the home screen using navigation controller. Got it? Same way, we will create the other 3 items for navigation drawer, that is profile, settings and logout. And then 3 of them navigate to their respective screen while logout throws a toast. Simple. Now pay attention. This is the end of modern navigation drawer parameter bracket. And this is where the curly brackets of the modern navigation drawer start, which represents the logic. Now, our navigation drawer is almost ready because there is one thing left, which is top app bar. Of course, we will need a top app bar with a hamburger menu icon. So to create that, first we need to create a scaffold. Scaffold provides a proper layout strategy so that multiple components can work together. Here we will use top app bar and bottom bar together in the navigation drawer. So write along scaffold, inside it top bar, copy the top bar code as it is, and then see we have the top bar title as WhatsApp with the background color as green and other item colors as white. Then the navigation icon, menu icon, and on click as drawer state open. And that's it. Our navigation drawer is ready. Also, please be careful with all the brackets and commas. And if it is stressful to you, then you can buy the source code from the description box. Now the next thing is to create bottom navigation. So the second component of the scaffold is the bottom bar. Inside it, bottom app bar, whose only parameter is container color, means the background color of the bottom bar, that is green. And inside the curly brackets, here we will have 5 bottom app bar items. The first item is home, so let me write the code for it. And done. Icon button whose 2 parameters are onClick and modifier, where onClick navigates the user to the home screen, also with the home icon. In the same way, we will create for search item as well. And done. Then the third item is a fab floating action button, which will open the bottom sheet. So let me quickly write the code for it. And done. Here, leave it blank for a while, but later when we will create bottom sheet, then we will write the code for it. Below it, create an icon button for notification and profile. And done. Our bottom navigation is also ready. Next, here in the open brackets of the scaffold, we need to set up the nav host. So write as it is. And done. This is our nav host with a navigation controller whose start destination is the home screen and then all the nav graphs for each screen. Next, we need to create a bottom sheet. So below the end of scaffold brackets, write if show bottom sheet. Inside it, model bottom sheet whose two parameters are on dismiss request, where show bottom sheet is false, means the bottom sheet is closed, and the second parameter as sheet state. Then inside it, we will have all the bottom sheet items like post, reel, story and all. So for that, first we need to create a custom bottom sheet item function. Come outside all the brackets. Here, create a composable function as a bottom sheet item. Like this way. See, we have an icon, title and on click for each item. Got it? Now come back here. I want my items to be in a column. Hence, I'll be using a column layout. With fill max width, padding and arrangement. And done. Then inside the curly brackets of the column, I'll create my first bottom sheet item, that is post. Like this way. And done. See, the post default icon is thumbs up and title as create a post. Then on click, as soon as the user clicks on the post item, the bottom sheet will be closed automatically and it will be navigated to the post screen. Simple. Now same way I will create bottom sheet items for other three as well, that is story, reel and live. But this time we won't navigate it to the screen because we have not created screens for them. Instead, we will simply throw a toast. Got it? And then last thing that we need to do is add here show bottom sheet as true. And that's it. Our bottom sheet is also ready. Now it's time for the moment of truth. Now let's run the app and see. Looks good. Bottom navigation is working. Bottom sheet is also working. Let's try navigation drawer. That is also working fine. Great, right? The code is all yours. Customize however you want and create fully functional apps, okay? So yeah, that is it for the video. If you are new to this channel, then please consider subscribing to my channel and I'll see you in the next video.